market WTI NYMEX, and time now is 9:16 a.m. New York time, and we are now live day trading. And we have found a good spot for a short sell position based from my setup. So we will going to short sell at 56.15 and try to TP at 56.01. So this is targeted to be around 14 ticks on exit at stop loss at 56.35 on the risk. And as for now, the market try make a slight pullback, and we are waiting for the market to reach the lowest, not the lower side, before the lower side. So this is the where the paradox of the market will be, and the lowest point is around 14 if I'm not mistaken, and the will short at 56.15 and taking profit of around 56.01, so around 40 ticks. So based on current situation, we are looking at a very high volume on the lower side, so especially at the common price level of 56.00, and furthermore down beyond 56.00, would there be a good indication for us to go further down? So let's wait and see once the market remain stable, and we will see this possibility for our trade to go fill and go towards direction of the short sell position. At this moment, there is no high volume on the higher side, so it looks good, and there is a high volume as well at 56.00. There's a common price level where the market have the high volume waiting to be on the good spree for the swing trade. So based on current situation, we hope to fill in and exit as fast as we could for the quickest strategy. And let's wait for the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes to be assured that this order got filled. So I have revised my position to short sell at the higher position, which is at 56.22, and we are expecting to have a profit around 20 ticks about that. And also from my live Telegram channel, I've mentioned that we will revise our position to go for short sell position at 56.22 and exit at 56.01. It's quite around 21 ticks in profit targeted with the same stop loss at 56.35. So hopefully the market will be filled any moment soon. So let's wait. Price now is around 56.36. So we are about a few ticks, around 9 ticks to our fill in market price, which is at this level, and TP is over here. So it will be a quick scalp for US session day trading. Okay, looks like the market tried to reverse back to the downside. We are waiting here at 56.22, which is just slightly at this price level to indicate that the market will go for a bearish movement to the downside. Alright, traders, the order already not yet, almost hit. Okay, we are now waiting for the market to get filled. Okay, we in the market, so looks good. So for my live trading signal as well, I need to send out the signal that already filled, so it was a good one. So let's wait whether this market can reach to the further side on the downside movement. So we are expecting for the market to reach 56.01 as our TP targeted area, which is at 56.01. So let's wait. As for now, let's take a look. Okay, we're still waiting. Looks good. Okay, looks good at this moment. We are positive. I'm quite sure that the market will go further down. It was very strong, bearish candle. and here is the nearest low. Hopefully when it penetrate to the lower side, we will have a good price movement to the downside. I mean, the burst to the downside, so the TP area will be at this area. So let's take a look on the volume on the downside. I'm expecting a very large volume waiting at 5600. Good, looks good. We are penetrating. So almost hit the TP. We just enter our position at 5622 based from my live trading signal at 5622. This is based on my own setup during US session, and this is a day trade. Okay, we hit. It's very fast. It's a very fast price movement. So there's a profit around 420 US dollar. Okay, we hit the market get further down. So I think we hit this. This is 420 profit. So let's take a look how long it take for this position to be filled. So it was a good one with a quick profit. So we did enter our position here and then exit while the market changing the candle. So we did enter at 11:02 a.m. I mean my local time. For US New York time 11:02 a.m. Sorry, 10:02 a.m. in the morning to exit at 10:04. So it's about 2 minutes in the market. So it's very fast. It was a good one. So a profit of 420 US dollar, mainly from this position. It was a good one. 420 as been seen here. It was a good trade based on the trading setup on the so feel free to click link below. I will put in my technique later on, maybe tonight, today, or tomorrow. So feel free to click on it. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So see you again tomorrow. So it was a good day today for starting this week. Thank you. Bye bye.